Good morning, children. I am Pooja Pareva. With me, Sanjay Bharadwaj. Today, we will study Class 9th, Subject English, Textbook, Beehive, Prose, Lesson 3, The Little Girl, Part 2. Dear children, in Part 1, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we will do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, word meanings. Children, in this question, we will learn the meanings of these English words in Hindi. Main, मुख्य, story, कहानी, leave, रवाना होना, think, सोचना, make, बनाना. Question number 2, choose the correct alternative. Children, in this question, we will choose a correct answer and write it in the bracket. What does 𝐄𝐊𝐀𝐊𝐒𝐇𝐀 think of her father? Correct answer is C. He is very harsh. So we will write C in the bracket. Question number 3, choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks. Children, in this question, we will choose correct answer from this box and write it in the blank. Okay? Question number 1, I am not afraid. Dash the woman. Correct answer is replied. So we will write REPLIED. Okay. Question number 2, leave me alone. My mother dash. Correct answer is shouted. So we will write SHOUTED. Question number 3, the children dash that the roads were crowded and noisy. Correct answer is were complaining. So we will write WERECOMPLAINING Okay. Question number 4. Perhaps he isn't a bad sort of a chap after all. Dash the master. Correct answer is remarked. So we will write REMARKED. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Answer. Kezia's father was a strict person who always used to give commands to everybody else in the house. He never seemed to smile. So Kezia was always in awe of him. So children, now we have done the question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Match the following tables. Children, in this question, you will match these English words with their meaning in Hindi yourself. For example, main means mukhya. You will match like this. In the same way, you will match these two tables yourself. Okay? Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. What was the name of the little girl? Choose the correct answer and write it in the bracket. Question number 3. Choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks. Question number 1. I am not afraid dash the woman. Question number 2. Leave me alone, my mother dash. Choose the correct answers from this box and write in these blanks. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Who were the people in Kezhia's family. Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.